Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I'm your teacher, Ma'am Huma, and I'm taking class prep English subject, and you are watching Show and Tell English lecture. So let's recite dua for learning. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. What you need for today's work: student book, an activity book, literacy book with a pencil, sharpener and eraser. Please open student book page number 64. Read with me. Today's story name is Scary Wild Animals. Objective of the lesson is read and understand a story. Student, open page number 64. Read with me. And story name is Scary Wild Animals. SCARY, scary, WILD, wild, ANIMALS, animals. Now look at the picture. How many characters are there? There are 2 characters, Prickly and Benny. Do you know where are they? Yes, they are in the forest. So let's start reading the story. Look at picture number 1. What is written there? Read the lines with me. Help. 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 THERE. There. ARER. There are. SOME. Some. There are some. Wild. 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 ANIMALS. Animals. There are some wild animals. IN THE. The. In the forest. 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 Full stop. In this picture, Prickly is running and she wants to tell Benny that help, there are some wild animals in the forest. Look at picture number 2. Yes, they do. YES, yes, comma, THEY, they, DO, do. Full stop. Let's read the speech bubble. DO, do. THEY, they. HAVE, have. Do they have? Sharp. SHARP, sharp. Teeth. TEETH, teeth. Question mark. Benny is asking that do they have a sharp teeth? Which animal you can see in picture number 2? Yes, there is a picture of a lion. Let's go to picture number 3. YES, yes, comma, THEY, they, yes, they, DO, do, AND, and, THEY, they, yes, they do, and they have, 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 LONG, long, LEGS, legs. Now Benny is asking that do they have a long legs? Let's read the speech bubble. DO, do, THEY, they, do they have, 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 scary, 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 EYES, eyes, scary eyes, question mark. You can see there is a picture of a crocodile and Benny is asking that do they have long legs or do they have a scary eyes? Now look at picture number 4. What is happening in this picture? Benny and Prickly, they both are running. Now let's read. Run, RUN, run. LISTEN, listen. HERE, hear. T-H-E-Y, they. Here they come, C-O-M-E, come. Now they are afraid. They have heard a sound of any animal and they are thinking that there are some wild animals with sharp teeth, with scary eyes. Now look at picture number 5. Well, W-E-L-L, well, comma, T-H-E-Y, they are taller, T-A-L-L-E-R, taller, T-H-A-N, then, they are taller than, M-E, me, they are taller than me, T-H-E-Y, they are, D-E-E-R, dear, they are dear, T-H-E-Y, they are not, scary, S-C-A-R-Y, scary. Prickly is asking that are they taller than me? Benny Singh, they are dear, they are not scary. Now look at picture number 6. Okay, O-K-A-Y, okay, Y-O-U-U, A-R-E-R, not, why you are not, S-C-A-R-Y, scary, N-O-W, now. Okay, you are not scary now. We don't have scary eyes and sharp teeth. Deers are saying that we don't have, W-E-V-D-O-N-T, don't, H-A-V-E, have, S-C-A-R-Y, scary, E-Y-E-S, eyes. We don't have scary eyes, A-N-D, and sharp, Sh-R-P, sharp, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Now look at this another speech bubble. W-E-V-H-A-V-E, have, we have, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful, E-Y-E-S, eyes, we have beautiful eyes, A-N-D, and S-P-A-R-K-L-I-N-G, sparkling, teeth, T-E-E-T-H, teeth, sparkling teeth mean shiny teeth. Now on this page there are some words given under the pictures, vocabulary words you have to read. Again, D-E-E-R, deer, comma, S-P-A-R-K-L-I-N-G, sparkling, comma, sharp, 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 comma, scary, S-C-A-R-Y, scary, comma, scared, S-C-A-R-E-D, scared, comma, T-E-E-T-H, teeth, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful.
2:17. Listen and point. Listen and repeat.
Help! There are some wild animals in the forest!
Do they have sharp teeth?
Yes, they do!
Do they have scary eyes?
Yes, they do! And they have long legs!
Listen! Oh, here they come!
Run!
They're deer. They aren't scary.
Well, they're taller than me.
We don't have scary eyes and sharp teeth. We have beautiful eyes and sparkling teeth.
Okay, you aren't scary now.
Some animals are very, very scary. They have sharp teeth and their bodies are hairy. They growl and hiss and make a fuss, but we're not scary. Not scary, not us.
Now children, open student book page number 65. On this page, what you have to do, you have to point and say what's missing, and then you have to draw and write. Now look at the Fifi's picture. There are some words written under each picture. Look at the first picture. She is going to point to the teeth. Sharp teeth. Sharp, sharp. Teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Now look at the next picture. Growl. G-R-O-W-L. Growl. G-R-O-W-L. Growl. A-N-D. And H-I-S-S. Hiss. Growl and hiss. Now look at the last picture. Knot. N-O-T. Knot. Now on the top of the picture there are three parts are given. Look at the first part, that is teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Next is eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. And the last one is ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. Okay. Now three pictures are given on this page. Look at the first picture, that is crocodile, then lion and elephant. On these pictures of wild animals, there are some body parts are missing. Look at the crocodile picture. What is missing? Eyes are missing. What you have to do, you have to draw the eyes and then you have to write spelling of eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes, under crocodile picture. Then look at lion picture. What is missing there? Teeth are missing. You have to draw teeth in lion's picture and you have to write spelling of teeth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Then look at elephant's picture. What is missing? Ears are missing. You have to draw ears and then you have to write spelling of ears. E-A-R-S, ears.
2:18. Sing and do.
Lions are very, very scary. They have sharp teeth and their bodies are hairy. They growl and hiss and make a fuss, but they're not scarier than us. Crocodiles are very, very scary. They have cold eyes and their bodies are scaly. They snap and hiss and make a fuss, but they're not scarier than us. Elephants are very, very scary. They have long noses and their ears are wavy. They trumpet and stomp and make a fuss, but they're not scarier than us.
Now please open activity book page number 53. What happens in the story? WHAT, what? HAPPENS, happens. What happens? IN. THE, the. What happens in the story? Question mark. Number, NUMBER, number. Children, already you have read this story in student book. Page number is 64. You have to open page number 64 of student book, and then you have to fill this page according to that story. Now do this work neatly and nicely and read the story again. Take care. Allah Hafiz.